Welcome everybody. Some good intro there. Welcome Voido and welcome Marco. What's going on? 3-year plan. Good morning. Good morning. Hey guys, what's happening? Ready for the market open, right? All right. Let's see what's gonna happen. I managed to pull the account back to the positive. I closed down this trade, but this gold trade, look at that. From here, I mean, it was open for a few hours. So, yeah. Anyway, waiting for the market open. As far as I can tell, not much has happened since the London session. Everything was pretty much just ranging. So I guess it's a good thing I did not trade. Yeah, hey Gizno. Focus on NQ. All right. Trader Monk, hey. What's happening? Lotso, hey. What's happening? We're gonna focus on NQ, definitely. Right at the open. Let's get it, online safety. Welcome. Good to see you. All right, 299.50. There is a buy side liquidity there, and we have the daily CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency up there. So let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. Let's get this. Less than 2 minutes to open. Let me update some stuff over here. Okay, fine. Perfect, perfect. What's the time? All right, almost 1 minute. I'm gonna go to Quant Hour charts just to see it on the 1 minute chart. Do I have a 1 minute chart? Yes, I do. So this is the 1 minute chart. Obviously not gonna do anything crazy here. 50 seconds until the open. Gonna be wild. Let's get it. Let's get it. Should be popping through that 99 level up there. 99.50, I think that was the level. It's pretty close, but be careful. It can just spike lower. And don't forget, we have news at 10 a.m. So I'm expecting the market to, you know, maybe shake up and down a little bit. And then we're just going to range until the news. All right. So be careful, everyone. But I do think that we have a chance for this one to take out the high. All right. So let's see. Almost. That's what I was talking about. Almost took that level. Repricing a little bit lower. Market is just going nuts right now. I'm just curious if it wants to take. Yeah, it's not gonna take it. It seems like still just waiting. All right, what's down there? Let's go down here. Where can it go? We do have some 5-minute fair value gaps down there. It seems like we're diving lower. This fair value gap has not been rebalanced yet. This one is still open. Unmitigated. Let's see. Should be going through the 99 just to, you know, poke that level. Poke that level. Almost, but it didn't. Not yet. A little bit crazy here. Going lower. Yeah. What a spike lower. What a spike lower. So just hang on. And let's wait. Are we gonna just, you know, go sideways here? Let me get this out of the way. The only level I see there is that 99. Should be getting through. If not, then we have some levels at 42. Yeah, come on, push it through the 99. Come on. Just push it through. I think it did it. No, almost. Almost did it. What was the high here? Missed it with one tick. One single tick. I'm not gonna jump into anything, so just be careful. All right, maybe now. Oh, come on, just one wick. Just push it. It's not doing it. Anyway, 27 minutes until the news. I have no orders, no positions. See, I have nothing opened up. I'm flat. Still just waiting. All right, what else is here? Going down. Still there. All right, let me go down to the 1 minute. Might want to go through once more through that 99. I don't know. I'm not jumping in here. I am definitely not jumping in, but the 99 is something that it really wants. I think so. Just one strong push. It has quite a lot of resistance up there. The bears are fighting back strong. Very strong. Look at that. Almost didn't go through. I mean, it should. Maybe. I don't know. Come on. There you go. Come on. All right. It should be going through. Wicked it again. The high is 99. Wow. It didn't go through. Didn't go to the 99.50 yet. Got rejected. What a fight. What a fight. All right. Now maybe. Maybe now. Let's see. It's a huge fight going on there. Come on, just go through the 300. It will be very fast. There you go. I think, yeah, it did it. All right. So finally took the liquidity right there. This was quite fast. I mean, not that fast. It was actually a struggle, but it went through. The main thing is that it went through. And now everybody's gonna wait for the news. Just sideways action, guys. So what levels do we have? We have the low of this candle. I'm gonna delete this. The low of this candle is 42. Yeah, 42. That's gonna be a 5-minute fair value gap. The action is over for now. And we're just gonna keep on waiting. If it goes higher, obviously we have some targets. I think it might want to. 348 is the next one. Let's see those numbers. What do we expect? Number of job openings. The report job openings. So less. They're expecting less job openings. Consumer spending. So they're expecting weaker numbers. So a little bit bad news. So if the number is going to be higher, obviously we can see a spike higher. By the way, let me put this up there. It's still bullish to me somehow. I don't know. It's just a feeling. It's nice to trade with Hogue. Oh, JD, or they'll be logging into your account to peek. I can focus on making profit. They do that. They're spying on you. Where's the VWAP? The VWAP, the volume weighted average price indicator, is down there at 23. All right. Yeah. As expected, going higher a little bit. Just pushing it. Let me get this here. All right. Yeah, I think nothing's gonna happen until news, guys. I mean, I don't think anything is gonna happen. Oh, my back is hurting. Well, it seems like we're going for that 48. That 48 level is where we're going currently. Nothing else here. Yeah, it was obvious, and we have that daily gap up there, so not surprised actually. No surprise there. Yeah. Yeah, that's about what we were expecting, especially after this little fight here. But we have some good targets on the upside, and don't forget that we also have a very important level up there, a huge new day opening gap. I think also everybody's gonna focus on that. It might go down, sweep some liquidity on the low end somewhere, but so far that's all. Okay, started to go down here. I'm not gonna jump in before the news, but it seems like it wants to reach down for that fair value gap, maybe for some liquidity. So seems like a target. Excuse me, but seems like a target right there. It needs some more liquidity. How far is that? 15 points down. Where does it start? At 42, right? Yeah, should go down. And almost there you go. And now we have liquidity. So tapped into the fair value gap. And now we're pretty much done until the news. Until the news. Dario, hey. Well, this was kind of like expected to take out that 99.50, and then that's why I marked up this 5-minute gap. So far the market did pretty much what I was anticipating that it will do, but I didn't have of course any entry. I was just waiting for it to do its job. So obviously it did. You took that sell? Taze, let's go. Let's go, Taze. Congrats. Nice trade there. There you go. Good one. Okay. So now that we have taken this weave up rejection, weave up, It was risky, but hey. Still, you know, 3 times per, yeah. I was actually a little bit tempted to maybe scalp it with, but I was a chicken to do that. Anyway, now we have some cleaner targets. Let me look to the left, especially on the 5 minute. What do we have? Reprice this area, VWAP rejection. You have the 299. There are some levels here. No real fair value gap on the 5 minute that matters. Yeah. So if I check to the left, obviously there is not much. Previous day high and the daily fair value gap. It's not far away. Nasdaq can do it if it wants to. So yeah, exactly. It's possible. We also have another 5 minute gap down there, which is exactly this level here. Okay. Right down there. If it wants to drop. If it wants to drop. Relative equal lows at 185, just saying. Down there. Should be fine. So that's all we have right now. And of course we are in daily premium, don't forget it. Don't forget it, we are in a daily premium right now. Okay, what's happening here? News in 10 minutes. Still going down. Relative equal lows. How far is that? 85. I'm not entering anything before the news. Haha, look at that spike. I would like to say beautiful. Was it just a sweep? Almost, not really. Could be just taking the stairs down. Could be just the stairs. Anyway, nothing to do until the news. So let's keep on waiting. It goes lower, all right. Or at least the way I see these candles, where I'm gonna, it's at 85, right? Yeah. Seems like it wants to go. But it's just unplugged. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Komodo, hey, what's going on? What's going on? Good to see you. Let's go. Waiting for the news. That's what we're doing right now. Just waiting for the news. Well, it seems like it's trying to push it lower. Holding yellow cell on YM. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go. Actually. It has some targets down there. I'm not trading this, but it looks okay. Let me check on crude oil. Eventually it got lower on this level. Quite interesting. Huh. 9. What is crude doing right here? Yeah, crude oil has some space to go. Pretty much bearish. And look at this one. Still pushing lower. Yeah. News is coming. Less than 4 minutes now. Closed it. Congratulations. Out of your short, coffee time. Congrats. Congrats. Good one. That was a good one. Huh. Is it want to go lower or not? J-Ho, hey. On your personal account, I'm short from 305 with 5 micros, and on my MyFundedFutures funded account, I'm short 2 minis. Whoa. Whoa. Gonna call it a week. Dude, you should. You have to. Dude, congratulations. That is awesome. That is awesome. Let me give you an applause. J-Ho. That is superb. That is like... That is solid rock money. Rock solid money. Good job there. Beauty 930 Judah swing and taking most off here. Relative equal lows on NQ. Try to hold the runner. That would be awesome if you had a runner for the midnight open. That would be great. If it will, you know. That's a nice trade, J-Ho. Very well done. Especially with live personal account. Ultimately, that's one of the goals to go with. Ah, nice one. Well, 50 seconds until news. We do have some retracement here. Obviously, because of some news. I mean, because of the news. We're gonna watch this on this 1 minute quant hour chart to see what it does. The 185 level, I'm gonna put it here as a this is relative equal lows at 185. Just saying. So 10 seconds. Let's see what it does. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and all right. Nothing special so far. We have liquidity at 67 up there. Might going to push it on the 5 minute. Anyway, nothing major. Let's see the numbers. Better than expected, which is positive news, or it should be, right? It should be positive news. Still going down. Small size Telegram strategy says buy trading is, yeah, everything is a little bit, you know, controversial right now because the numbers are looking positive, but it still wants to take that 185. I think it will. Yeah, look at that. It's very close. I think it is going to take it. I might jump in for a scalp. Too late. It's going to take that 185. Yeah, I think it took it already. There you go. By the time I switched to the chart, it was too late. So relative equal lows taken. The only thing that's left here is the 5-minute gap down at 58. That's the only thing. 58, right? That's 58. Whoa! Pavlovsky Nicholas, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the stream. Alright, let's see how far do we go here. No retracements, just going straight down. All the way down to 58, I think. Or 59. Maybe, who knows, right? There is some liquidity down there. I don't know if it wants to take it or not. Not sure. Could be retracing or repricing higher. Yeah, now it's repricing a little bit. It was very close, but it might not be enough. Might need some repricing to do here, like right now. Quite interesting move, to be honest, but understandable. Might want to go back to the order block a little bit higher. Maybe. Not sure. Or it wants to go down. I'm really not sure what it wants currently. Maybe lower, right? It was very close. Well, it wants to reprice. So might gonna try it once more. If not, then goes up to the what's it called? Order block. I forgot it. Totally forget it. Good evening, Hansen. What's happening? All right. We got back up there. It's not going for the 5-minute gap, which could be a good thing or bad, I don't know. So let's see. It might want to go back up and take the 267 maybe back up there. 267. How about that? I'm not sure. How far is that? It's actually not that far. Success is around the corner, yeah. I'm watching it closely if there is some kind of a move that could be taken on this. You know. So far, it is shifting higher. Still wondering if... and that's a big if it wants to go a little bit more. Or if not, then just return lower. A little bit of a reprice. Might still go up there. Target would be, yeah, the 67 area. It's an A student at school, so when I'm trading over there, he doesn't think I'm trading performs better than me. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Online Safety. Thank you, dude. Thank you so much for the support. Means a lot. For the second account. Still, I mean, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Online Safety, for the support. And everybody. Yeah, I'm still waiting for this to see where it wants to go. Quite interesting, but I feel like this level up there at 66 could be in order, maybe. Kind of like a good level to me. I like it, but you know, who knows? Who knows? If they really want to push it that high. I mean, there's nothing in between on the 5 minute. That's why I was watching that level. So. But if it wants to reprice lower, then who knows? All right, maybe not. Maybe going back down, who knows? Repricing that 1 minute gap over there. I think it does. And finally, maybe take that level down there at 58, 158. Then it obviously has to go through the 65-ish area. If it takes that road down. Quantum Force, hey. What is the news? The news was, in my time, it was 4 p.m. So it was 11 minutes ago. Yeah, you should wait. Best to wait right now, guys. Just best to wait. Question remains, where does this want to go? Is it want to go back down to the midnight level, or might want to take that level up there? So far it's best to wait. No clear direction yet. And I don't know which level to take. Obviously we are in a daily premium, but you know, who knows? Who knows what's it gonna do? You're short? All right. I still just wait. Still don't know where to go from here. Obviously there are some good levels, good targets, but on the downside there should be that fair value gap. I'm watching the 15-minute as well, and I'm watching some daily levels. A little bit of indecision in the market, I think. But if it flies, then there's no stopping until the 68s. Let's see. Is it want to go, or is it going to stay here? Is it gonna go, or is it gonna stay? Feels weak. Just going sideways here. Still nothing. I'm watching this level up there, but I'm not sure. Is this going to be a sell-off, or just keeps continuing higher? I really don't know. All right. It's above the VWAP. On the 32nd, there would be a possible long entry. So, I'm not sure. Feels weak, like it wants to drop. Hard to say. Seems like that 58 would be the level. I'm not sure. Nothing else. That I like here. It's totally sideways action. Not sure. Not sure about this. Made the structure shift lower and we're at the VWAP. We're dancing at the VWAP, but this move is wow. It's like technically unplugged everything. Hard to say. I just don't know if it wants to go or not. Anyway. Anyway, no clear direction. Alright guys, I have to go and pick up a package. I'll be right back, alright? I'm back, sorry. I had to pick up a package. What happened? Sorry. Hi everyone. Hey Bob. Not trying today, just came by to say thank you. I'm sorry I was very busy. Seems like we got back to that 58 level. Yeah, sorry again. Do you still use the Pip Ninja? Yeah, I do that. And most likely I enter I have an account dedicated for that. And I use it on the 5-minute charts, most likely. And I go down to the 1 minute as well, but yes, I do. Close my short too early. Oh yeah. It had you sweating. Yeah, I can imagine, because look at this. It was a hard trip for it to go down there to that 58, but finally we got there. Look at that, how precisely it got down to that fair value gap. There was one more opportunity here to go short, but I think it was quite okay. I might even, and by the way, I was in a short too. Started to kill it, but after all, the spying games, I know. You took another short? Alright, let's go. Oh, you're waiting for a buy. I was actually in a short as well when I went out, and this account just passed evaluation. I only took it on evaluation, and I took a trade on one of my funded accounts on a new one, this one. Huge trade, $1,200 on a funded account, but it's a new one, so still need to work a lot on this. So this is the one. This is the one that you see above. This is a Bulenox funded account. $1,200 in profit today. So that's a good one. But yeah. Yeah, we just have to wait now. You're out. I don't know how much it should fall from here, but I'm gonna be looking for some new targets, that's for sure. Yeah, we still have time. So still have time from the kill zone. We do have the lunch hour. We have some good targets on the upside, so there's still some opportunities here. I'm gonna eat some late lunch, so I'm gonna disable the camera, but I'll be here. So I don't want you guys to see me eating like a pig. It's disgusting, you know. Where is it? Here, all right, but I'm still here. Well, I usually wait for the PM session for at least to 1 PM Eastern Standard Time, you know, so at my time, that is like 7. Yeah, it's at 7 PM. 7 PM at my time zone. But yeah. You woke up angry. Oh. Oh, Apex TopStep. Don't worry. In New York time, that's 1 PM. 1 PM EST. Your favorite radio? I'm just eating lunch, so you know it's a little bit hard to talk like that, but I'll try to. I'm just watching, you know, some other levels here, especially on the 5-minute. I think it's gonna go lower, but I'm not jumping in now. Waiting for some kind of a retracement or something, you know. Oh, Parminder, I'm sorry to hear that. 1900 loss. I hope it was just an evaluation. I hope so. Yeah, online safety. Maybe they were spying on you. Who knows? All right, I'm back. I'm finished with my lunch. Oh my god, the phone is ringing. All right. Sorry, quickie phone call. All right. So now that we have taken everything at these levels, I'm just wondering, how far is this gonna go? Is it gonna go lower, maybe take out the Asia low technically, or, you know, what are we looking at right now? Yeah, midnight open, definitely. You were calling that level a lot, I remember. Yeah, definitely. So that was a nice call, J-Ho. That was a real nice call. Tom, you should eat an hour at least before training. Now you're the... No, I can actually focus. You know, now I'm relaxed. I can focus. No stress. You know, the stress levels go down. And I can build some more accounts. You know, that's how it works. That's how it works. But actually, I'm very happy that this account has passed since this morning. So that was a good job. I might even take on some more accounts until the sale goes on. You know, why not? Take a few more. Actually, I'm gonna take some more accounts. Why not? Why not? Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. I'm actually buying new evaluation accounts now. Because I ran out of evaluations. S&P 500 up, so yeah, ES should be going, right? What's happening? All right, so if we go up there, there's no targets, no fair value gaps. The only level is at 253 if it wants to turn around here. In Discord, let me check. Oh, you did. In general chat. Oh, what a nice trade, J-Ho. Gotta look at this. Look at this. Perfect. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Look at this, man. Entered here and boom. J-Ho, that's a beautiful trade. That's beautiful. This is the way it should be. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Congrats, man. That is really something. That's the way it should be. I wish every trade would be that. Like that. That would be the ultimate. Of everything. Yeah, patience pays. Oh, you know, I'm just. I think I should be listening to you, man. I should be listening to you, I think. But really nice job there. I really like it. I mean, awesome trades. Awesome, awesome, awesome trades. Will FOMC really? Yeah, well, I don't know. The press conference is going to be the one that's going to move the market most likely. So gotta watch out for the press conference there. That's going to be the big mover, I think. So just be careful with the press conference. Now, I'm trying to determine if this one still wants to go lower to, you know, take that. Which level is there? Maybe the Asia low? Does it want to take it or not? I guess it might want to. I don't know what kind of other targets could be here. Unless it wants to fall some more all the way down to Asia lows. Or we could go back to the internal range. So yes, FOMC press conference is going to be the big thing to go with. I think so. All right. It might want to go down again. Or continue to go down to the Asia low. I actually don't have any level here. So it has to go through like maybe the 100-ish area. I don't know. If it continues to dump and maybe take out the Asia lows. Not sure. Gotta be careful. Is it really going down there right now? I guess gotta be careful here. Could be a bounce here, just saying. Let me go to the 1 minute. Anyway, shifted lower again. What do you guys think? Is this gonna dump lower to Asia lows or what? Or is it gonna bounce here? Could be a bounce. I would be careful. It's not a bounce yet, but it could be. It could be. Reprice that 1 minute? Not sure. Not sure. Oops. Or could be a V-shaped recovery. Dun, 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 dun. So what will it be? Is it gonna break lower or V-shaped recovery? Just curious. Have to go, Marco. All right. Well, thanks for being here. It was a little bit interesting session for now. I'm still going to be here and watching, but thanks for dropping by, Marco. I'm wondering if it wants to go down lower or not. And if it will, how far it's gonna go. Feels a little bit heavy. You know. All right, we're still going up. No, sorry, down. Man, I can't focus. Seems like it's going down. It seems like it's going down. Asia lows are incoming. And we took out Asia lows. And still dumping. Oh, there's a liquidity void. Is this a new day opening gap? It might be. Yes, it is. So this might be an area of interest. To go to, which is down at 19K actually. It wants to go there. Seems like it wants to go there. To go for that 19K. I'm not sure. Feels like a sell-off for a minute. Yeah, look at that. Feels like a sell-off. And there she goes, almost down to that gap. Almost down in that gap. Should be closing through, almost done it. Profit taking. What a sell-off. I definitely have no trade on this. Which prop firm belongs to Apex and which to TopStep? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. I think they're separate. I think they're separate. Da 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 da. They should be separate. It's just going through, it's melting, tanking. What the hell is going on here, right? Hey, FX and Trophy. Well, everything's fine, everything's cool. As you see, we are in the middle of a nice little meltdown. And nobody knows where it stops. But yeah, otherwise everything's great. Everything's great. Nobody knows where this one stops. We obviously have some levels here, but man, catching a falling knife here could be dangerous. So, won't stop, can't stop, exactly. Look at this drop here. I mean, not that big one, but still, measuring from the top here, you know, look at this. Nice little 340 points. That's quite healthy. All right. So is this going to continue, or are we going to have a bounce? The question of the day, right? Yeah. The question of the day. I feel like this sell-off can continue even lower. Hey Vivian, good to see you. 16k, and you're out. You should be done with 16k. You should just close it for the day. That's a good job, man. That is excellent job. That is just excellent right there. Right there. I had actually nothing to go for here, at least not for now. And I still don't know if this is the end of this drop or it's just going to keep on going. We do have some good targets still. Should we be having retracement, or is this a falling knife? Either way, I'm not too happy about the idea. I'm not too happy about the idea of trading these levels. But obviously it can go lower. But first, it's gonna reprice. There you go. It's going. It's repricing. But for where? Where is it gonna go? Any words on the Pip Ninja system for TradingView? Well, there are some moving averages which I describe if you don't have MetaTrader. And you know what I can say is that if you wait a few days, I'm gonna update the educational videos as well, because I figured out a little bit more simpler way to adapt it to TradingView. There are some levels. Basically, exponential moving averages is what you're looking at to determine the trend, and you know what you're looking for is basically almost like the same way I do this. I'm watching for the fair value gaps and the direction of the trend. but the EMAs are helping to you know, to decide the trend and how strong is the momentum. But I think I'm going to do an update in a few days, 1 or 2 days, on that, because I came up with an easier solution. So many of you guys don't have MetaTrader, which is fine, and that's why I wanted to do some updates on that mini course. So it's a good one. I made good profits with it. I managed to make it to funded accounts with it. I was trading with TopStep with it. So it was good, but it's a mechanical system. It's a mechanical approach. So yeah. Yeah, that's amazing result from FX and Trophy. 16K, wow. That's like wow, wowie. Very good result. Anyway, trading on TopStep using trader weight, that's a good thing. I mean, trader weight, I mean, it's possible. I'm trading on TopStep using trader weight, of course. If you're asking in relation to the trend following system, you can, because trader weight has exponential moving averages, so you can still go with it if you want to. Or if you were asking, is it good to trade trader weight with TopStep? Yes, of course. Trader weight is a user-friendly platform, so it's quite good. Let me eat something here, a little bit. I'm gonna disable the camera until I eat. On a 50K account, at TopStep, maximum loss is 2,000, and the daily loss limit is 1,000. If you're asking about TopStep. Sorry, I'm still eating. $1,900 on a TopStep account. I don't know which account is that. Is that a TopStep? If it's on the TopStep, maybe TopStep deleted the daily loss limit. I'm not sure. Maybe on. I don't know. It's not gonna be closed, but you still have like $100 something threshold if it's a 50K. Oh, it's Apex. No, it's not gonna be closed. If it's a 50K, you still have $600 then. You should be having around 600 more, so it's not closed. Excuse me. I had to go out for a drink. All right, so I had very good profits, but I made a mistake. Oh, if you were in profits, then you should check your liquidation threshold. Sorry, I'm here. You should check your liquidation threshold, because at Apex, if it goes up, you know, it's trailing your stop. So I don't know how much you left. So for example, if you're in $500 of profit and the trading threshold is $2,500, and now you're down negative 1,900, then you might only have $100 of threshold. So, you know, just be careful. Just be careful with that. Look at that's the gold trade. Finally played out. Obviously, I closed it earlier, so careful with that. I think you can check it in TradingView. Not sure where exactly, but anyway. There should be a section there. Oh no, I have a fly here. I have to get rid of it somehow. How did it get here, I wonder? I have a book here. I'm gonna catch it if I can. No. All right. Anyway, still waiting here. Kind of feels like it still wants to go lower, but it can just take the stairs higher and higher. Maybe all the way until it's gonna take some levels out, you know. Yeah, it might want to go higher. Who knows? 56. Yeah, maybe to the higher fair value gap. I don't know, man. Feels weird. No trade yet. I mean, I made a good trade and made this account that you see above here funded. That's all I did, but I'm still waiting for some good levels. I don't see anything on the 5-minute that I would like to go with. This is the 1-minute chart. I wonder if it wants to go back with the stairs and maybe reprice some higher levels here, or is it just gonna, you know, fool around at these levels? But you know, I think it might go lower. But again, I don't know. To go long here, it would be almost like catching that falling knife. But who knows? If it wants to go, then obviously you have a chance that it might. Yeah, look at that. It might want to go lower. Oh well, it's not the huge deal. The huge deal, which I'm proud of, is I took a trade actually on which account? Hold on. On a funded account. And this is on a funded account, a Bulenox funded account. I made $1,200 today. So this is the biggest so far in a day. $1,200 on this funded, but it still has a lot to go. But I was very much behind with this account, so I decided that, you know, let's go for it. And I managed to put this higher, but it still has a lot to go. So obviously, still has a lot to go. Which account was that? I'm still trying to figure out. There was an account that I wanted to trade. I just can't figure it out. Which evaluation was that? I think I got it. And Rhythmic also have the auto liquidate threshold. Yeah, yes, exactly, Bonbon. I'm convinced that Apex TopStep own most of the prop firms, including the ones that are offshore. Maybe. Well, you know, we don't know that. We don't know the details in the background of the companies, but I guess you can download some tax information from those companies. And it shows the owners, I think, in the database. And Rhythmic also. Gold for more sales. I haven't even checked on gold. Look at this. The 5-minute actually looks crazy here. I do like that level down there and on gold. Unbalanced price. Right at those levels. Could be interesting. Seems like a sell. Oh, look at that. Just like that. And just like that, gold sells off. Yeah, I think it's gonna sell off. Yeah. To that fair value gap. Anyway. What a sell off. And it continues. I wonder for how long. Let's see NQ. What's the low of this candle? The low of this candle is the wick 10 10.25. Interesting. 10.25. Question is, does it want to go higher or lower? Not sure. Looking for daily low. That's not a good idea. I mean, that's not a bad idea, sorry. Daily low is could be like, let's see. Now we can still go all the way down to the to the 50s maybe, or even lower. Let's see. Where is it gonna go? Is it gonna drop or is it gonna just continue higher? If it drops from here, then it should be quick. Okay. Look at that. It might gonna go down. And there she goes. Haha. Almost got it. All right. Keeps going down. And there she goes down. Is it possible to copy trade 2 Bulenox account at NinjaTrader? Yeah, sure. Yes, of course, Holy Grail. It's possible. It's possible. So with NinjaTrader, you know, it uses rhythmic connection. With Bulenox, yeah, you have to download Replicanto. You have to pay for it, but you can have a free trial for a week. But you have to download Replicanto and install it to NinjaTrader, and you should be able to do that. Super simple. I mean, it's actually very easy. All right. The thing is, I still don't have an idea how far this can go lower. Can it take out the 86? I'm trying to think that it will. That it might want to. It's 10 points down. And also interesting, we did not have, I mean, this was the only 1 minute order block that was tradable this morning. It's not even a perfect one, so I didn't even trade this order block, but otherwise there were no order blocks. Maybe this, it's just straight went down. And look at gold. Wow. Seems like we're going for the lows. Still at 52. Should be taking out 941. What's happening here? MyFundedFutures, TopStep, Apex, TopStep, and Bulenox must be all part of Apex TopStep. I don't know online safety. I have no idea. I don't think that MyFundedFutures has anything to do with TopStep. I don't think. Obviously, the different CEOs and everything. Although I heard some rumors that maybe Apex is owned by BlackRock, but I don't think so. Look at this drop. Wow, amazing. Amazing sell-off. This is the typical sell-off that you don't want to be in. Yeah. What a day. Are we gonna go higher? I can't say if we will, because this is typically something I don't want to touch. I don't want to be participating in. Let's go out for the 1 hour. Should be dropping some more, I guess. 4 hour looks bearish. Yeah. Everything points like it could be a drop continuation. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see, I guess. Where is the low of this? It's down there at below 900. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's down below there. But how far? You might be wondering. How far below? And how far are we going? I have 225 bucks on ES, small trade. Hey, that's a very nice one. Congrats. Yeah, you should leave that, yeah, before you get some FOMO. I think that's a very good result. I made some profit on funded accounts too, so I'm just looking if I can get any valuation account up to profit or something, but I don't see anything right now. I think it will continue to drop, but before that there might be some repricing of higher levels, but we're very close to the lows here, so just be careful. You can never know. Look at that, now we're going back up. Yeah, there she goes. We should be repricing now some levels, right? That would be obvious, or not. I don't know. Before we get lower. Or maybe the drop is not finished. But lunch hour is approaching, so there could be some liquidity sweep at higher levels. We never know that. That's why you have to be cautious. TopStep is at the top of the group. Huge fraud and money laundering. I don't know about that online safety, but hey, I think you can download the company files from online, so you can look into who's the owner. Oh, look at this! It just keeps going. No, it should be repricing because it's lunch hour, and it's already the lunch hour macro kicking in. See you, Trader Monk. All right, what's it gonna be? Is it gonna drop some more, or I don't know? Just curious. Might be dropping some more. What a day. Quite tricky price action, to say the least. I'm just not sure how far does it want to go. I don't know, guys. It's just stuck here. There's one level I like there. Is the 19.50 that I'm watching. If it wants to go up there and reprice. So I do like that level. $40 or $50. I mean, to the upside, maybe. Could be. 35. Maybe. If you're referring here, yeah. Yeah. Okay, 19. Okay. So this area, yeah, that's a good target. Absolutely a good one. I don't know what to do, guys. I don't see anything that I like here. Hey, Chao Tang. Good to see you. Yeah, it's a nice day past an eval, and just waiting for, you know, something to happen here. Maybe it's only going to happen in the PM session. Who knows? It's like it might want to go lower. But I don't know. Breakdown maybe. Yeah, we have to wait to see what it does in this congestion area right now. The low is at 83, so obviously it can go. But, you know, gotta be careful. Got to be careful. Overtrading at this point. Yeah, 3-year plan. You know, if I would like to jump in here, that would feel like I want to force something. Obviously, I see some levels that I like, but I'm not sure if I want to. So be careful with overtrading. 3-year plan. Careful with that. I'd like to go for the long maybe, but until, you know, we have this low at 83, that's a little bit scary. Tacti, hey. Oh, thank you, hey. And by the way, thank you very much for the support, and let me give an applause for you and anyone who was using my codes and links. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. If you're going for fast track trading, they only have a referral link, so if you would like to give some credit to the stream, make sure to click on my link below in the description or in the chat before you register for the account. Basically, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, TechT. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Thank you. Thank you. Da, 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 da. Holy real, you're welcome. You're welcome. And thank you for sticking here with me, just watching price action. I know it's a crazy session. I'd like to enter into a trade. It's very tempting to go short, by the way. I was looking at this and I'm still tempted to jump into a short, but I don't know if I should or if I would. I don't know. It's tempting to go down to the 900s, obviously. I don't even know where it would be. Yeah, down in the yeah, down to the 900. I don't know if it wants to do it or not. But, you know, looks tempting. In the lunch hour, so anything can happen. Still didn't go for the what's it called? What's that level? Up at on the 15-minute, the high is 57.50. But you know, if we can get there, it's better. Hey Congo, I just buy 2 more account on TopStep. Oh, thank you Congo, thank you so much. Wait until 12:30 to enter. Yes, we're gonna have to wait. And also we might see some repricing to this 1 minute gap, so gonna have to wait. I need to stop trading scared. Yeah, we need to eliminate the scarcity of trading, you know. But I think one of the thing that we can do is, you know, trade smaller size, maybe. To be honest, I'm looking for a long. Yeah, we have a chance to go into some long positions, I guess. It still didn't go for liquidity in the 15-minute chart. You know, no repricing has been made so far. So we have the chance for it, obviously. What's the level here? Yeah. So we have every chance for it. But first we need a clean structure shift. And I'm not sure if it wants to go for it first or just dump first. Who knows? Nobody knows. Let me check on something here. It's going higher now. Alicia, hey there. Gold. Oh, let me check on gold. Oh, look at this. Gold finally got to its sense. Going higher. It didn't really give any entry so far, and it has some liquidity voids here. But yes, gold is going. Let me see some levels that it can go for. I might actually have to see the Forex levels too. But yeah, equal highs up there. Yeah, it can possibly continue higher. What a move. I really thought that this is going to go down and rebalance this liquidity void. But now, that's strange. No trades so far on this quantum force. I will be looking for this, but nothing that I like. Nothing on the 5-minute. The only thing is up there at 24.37 on futures. But now it's repricing this gap, so it might continue. It might pick up liquidity here and then just go down. It's obviously risky. But if we put a fib tool here to this swing and to this one, it's OTE level. So it could be good for a short. But this is a very strong and sharp move to the upside. So I would be careful to take one. Obviously, it's not impossible. But, you know, gotta be careful. I mean, why not? It's possible to take a short if you know what you're doing. And you can target this low. That gap. Alicia, how's it going, by the way? How's the trade so far? How's everything? Had quite an interesting day. All right, just watching price action here. It's been going well. All right, good to hear that. I'm back to work, so I'm working on trading as early as 4 a.m. Oh my God, you're a machine, man, Alicia. I don't know how you do it, but you're a machine. You are a machine. I'm trying to figure this out, but da, 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 da. All right. Stretching my bones. I realize I'm more of a range trader. Me too, by the way. I never said that really, but I started looking back at the market data and how often when the market ranges the most. Yeah, I'm a range trader too. I mean, look at that. Since we were trending down here, I have no trade. I have nothing to go with. So I'm doing way better on those days when everything is just going sideways, you know. Anyway. Why you don't have a chart with open positions instead? Because I don't have open positions. I don't have open positions, but I can actually, that's a good question, Jacques. Why don't I open positions? Maybe I should. I don't know. But if I don't have an entry, I don't know, man. Should I open a position for the stream? You know, see where it goes. Almost got it, man. Oh. Maybe I should. But if you have one, you get over the chart. How it was shorting today? I was shorted off stream. Actually, I did some off-stream trades. Where's the fly? There's a freaking fly in my room somewhere. I have to catch this. Oh, here it is. Anyway. So yeah, I can enter a trade, absolutely. Why not? Why not just enter a trade, right? It's super simple. All I have to do is just enter. Maybe I can enter with a micro. The problem is I don't see anything that I want to go with. All right, I entered a long for the stream to the 80. Let me show it. Let me show it. No, it's not here. Not here. Oh, here. Okay, this is my trade. No stop yet. I'm gonna put a stop loss down there. It's most likely a scalp position. Might gonna close it earlier. So here, now we are in a trade. You can go long if you, yeah, I went long. Question with open visible, because sometimes it's better to understand. Oh yeah, that's absolutely, you're right, Jacques. Absolutely, you're right. Secondly, more people can trace what you're, well, that's true. Larger amount of viewers. That's actually true, Jacques. Bloody price section. Oh yeah, online safety. So I have taken this long, only with 2 micros. It seems like it's going against me. 83 is the low. I don't want to get tilted or anything, but 83 is the low. If it takes out this wick, then obviously we can try to go short maybe to take out that level. This is a 30-second chart, but I'm going to be watching the 1-minute chart too. On my left screen, yeah, it seems like this is going to melt like ice cream. And come on, just take it. Just take it. Come on, don't play with me. Should be taking my stop now. Even Danish person Tom Hoggard got such a way of trading online. Yeah, that's you know, it's actually a good idea. So might gonna take more trades. Maybe only with micros. I don't know. All right, so that didn't go well, but this one is shifting structure. So all right, I'm jumping into a short now. Don't worry, I'm just targeting the lows. Actually the 900. Nothing crazy. Just targeting the 900. Come on, 900. Come on. Come on, 900. I might even start my trade await account. I'm not gonna put it to break even just yet. I'd like to take some profit there at or I mean I'd like to see it go below 910. Yeah, Jung, I'm not gonna force it. This is just with micros, so this is micro. Just looking for that 900. He's trading for a long period of time in comparison to some newbies on the internet. Yeah, I heard about him. So remember, don't take trades when you don't need to. Exactly, Jacques. Yeah, exactly. I was eyeballing the 900 level anyways. So I just thought that we're going to have a repricing up there. That's why I used the, let's just say, tighter stop. But I was looking for that 900 level. So my TP is at 901.50. You know, we were in this congestion area for quite some time, and you know, and the trade that I'm on is on this account currently. So hopefully I can get this funded as well. Let's see. I think it's time to put this to break even, no? Maybe it is. All right, I put it to break even. Maybe I should close like a partial. Okay, I closed partial. Modified the limit orders, so it's a free trade now. You said fluent English. Is English education in Hungary primary school? Yeah, yes. There is English, proper English education in the schools here, in the primaries as well. So yeah, actually, English is in. Not why the market is down. I don't know. There obviously the swing low is at 83, but I just wanted to see if it wants to touch the 901 or not. It's an interesting level to go with. It's a problem sometimes to go against trend. It's not easy, but if you're young, you can take small loss and goodbye. Yeah, exactly. And also, I mean, I know a lot of traders hate the micros, but if you trade micros, it can actually save a lot of stress, even on funded accounts. Yeah, exactly. I know what you mean, Jacques. And thank you for the info, actually. I mean, yeah. I absolutely get it. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. So is it gonna go down or what? I'm not sure, right? Gotta be careful here. So let's see, is it gonna go for the 901 or 902, whatever? Just wondering. Or is it just gonna bounce here? Might be just bouncing. It seems like it. Look at that. Bouncy, bouncy. It's a good thing I took partials here. It's actually a good thing. Almost took me out there. Hey Itamimi. Well, everything is so far okay. I made a new account to funded. Made some profits on funded accounts, so overall good. I'm sitting in this trade, hoping that maybe we can at least test the 900. Doesn't seem like now that it wants to, so we can see a bounce quite easy, I think. Super easy bounce. And there you go, I got taken out break even. So yeah, otherwise I still believe that 900 is so close, and the swing low is at 883. I don't know what you guys think about that, but nothing else I see here. Obviously there are some levels that could be interesting, or it can be a reversal, a potential reversal. That's also possible if we think about it real closely. FOMC, it's gonna be tomorrow, right? Tomorrow. Maybe I will. I never did that. Why not do it? Why not begin now? We can start doing that. If you guys promise to join me on the stream, at least for a little bit. I would be happy to. I'm still watching this level. It repriced higher in this gap. Let's see if this is the move. Might be going down. Still not at 900. Actually, let me put a line here to 900. Yeah, there you go. It's gonna be a solid line. Tomorrow, there FOMC is going to be tomorrow. Range seems to be small down, maybe. Yeah, could be. I'm just curious. Why is it not testing the 900? If it's not going to test, then I'm just going to wait a little bit longer. We're still in the middle of the lunch hour, so there could be liquidity sweep in both directions. I just thought that why not take that 900 for a wick? It's a nice round number, and obviously there are stops below 883. So who knows, right? Who knows? Gold is edging higher. Nothing really here that could be interesting. What is ES doing? ES is slowly going lower as well. But, I was hoping that NQ might want to do that final test. But it just doesn't want to. I already closed it. I closed it already, so I'm out. I'm out. Look, I have no orders, no positions. I'm just watching this. That's why I'm saying I'm just, looking for maybe if there would be some other entry, for example, here to take a scalp to the shorts, but I don't have any positions. No orders, no positions. I'm flat. Oops. Working orders. Now I don't know what I did here. Oh, there you go. but no working orders or positions. Pound dollar was up quite well. Haven't checked it. Maybe I should be looking at some pound dollar trades in the future. But the problem, you know, with Forex is that you have to go for only a few pips. Sometimes in the London session, for example, euro dollar only moves like a few pips. And that's just such a small range. I mean, that's a small range. And well, we're still ranging, but in the lunch hour still. Look at the difference of ranges. Breakdown 667. You think so? All the way down? That's way down, man. That's way down. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. I see what you mean. So all the way down. Actually, we have a clear way until the 500, that's for sure. All right, first of all, I want to see if this one will make a move or gives some kind of a clean direction or tests the what's it called anyway? The 900, but it didn't. Bounces right back up. I also wanted to scalp for the order block trade, and there's actually one which actually fits the criteria, and is this one right there. But since we are so bearish, I would be very careful. Order block, 5-minute gap up there. That you bought and the one that you had at the bottom of your trade. Oh, small nuances. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm still gonna wait a little bit. Let's see if we get a setup, you know, going back to the order block or to that 5-minute gap. Let's see it for that. You know, why not go for the long? I like that area up there. Actually, I do like it. All right. Seems like we're having a shift here and now here. I'm fighting for my profits. Come on, online safety, let's go. And I'm actually thinking to maybe take a small trade or not. Maybe I should take a long here. It's actually a good area. Not a bad area, to be honest. All right, took a long here. Let's see. If it goes down, it goes down. My target was actually to get up there to the order block and to the 5-minute gap, which I'm going to show you exactly what I was thinking. Five-minute fair value gap, a little bit higher. Bearish order block. 1 minute. All right. So that's the plan originally. If it wants to go, obviously. Draw a trend line. I can draw a trend line, I guess. Like here. I just like the level up there to revisit that 1 minute order block. If it gets close to the 90 level, that's fine. I might even add to the position. How about that? And if it trades higher than, or we have an up close candle above the 50s, I might even bring my stop a little bit closer. Oops, sorry. Just a quick phone call, sorry. Oh my, look at that. We're back down. What's gonna happen here? It's not looking good. The sell-off could continue here. Now, if it goes lower, then obviously, you know, the test of the 900 could be imminent. Yeah, unfortunately, I think that's what's going to happen. So what now? Are we going to go lower? Seems like we could. Super easy. To that 900 level. I haven't even put it there. 900. Very, very, very close. All right. It went down. Hey, Dominic. Oh, came from work? All right. Short up buy button. Yeah. Can you do a small recap? Well, actually nothing really happened, but I'm gonna do a small recap for you. I mean, nothing really, actually a lot of happened. The market just went short after the open. There was a little bit of a hesitation until the news. So this was the news up there. And the market started to sell off. As you see, previous day low has been taken. No huge retracement. The only retracement here was on the 5-minute at 10:45. And the market started to drop like crazy all the way down. And now there's actually, it's like a falling knife, you know, it's a falling knife. And we have a swing low at 800. I don't even know what's the level anymore. 883. And I think the market wants to take that out. It's very close. I think the market really wants it, that 83. So be careful going short. I tried to go long to maybe for that 1-minute order block, didn't go through. But that's all that happened so far. For now. Yeah, looks interesting, definitely. But I was a little bit scared to go long. So I took some scalps before the stream. But this drop, you know, this was quite huge. Yeah, you're welcome. So just the waiting game, as usual. And I'm just scared to take anything at this moment. Two more hours before it does its thing. Yeah, maybe. Anyways, I think it wants to take out that 83, so be careful. Wants to go for it, I think. It's gonna be very fast. Yeah, there you go. And we got it. New low. New low. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That was fast. That was actually fast. Okay. And now I have really no idea where it goes, so I think I'm gonna call it here. I have actually passed the evaluation account from the other day, so I'm happy with that. Made some profits on funded accounts. Overall, that's it. Yeah. I got in a short break, but that was a hard work, I know. It must have been, man. No, I just don't see anything. Oh, thank you, Vivian. Thank you. And my biggest trade on funded account ever was $1,200 on one of my Bulenox accounts, which was this one. So this is a funded account. I made $1,200 on this. It was way behind. It was only sitting at $38. So today I managed to push this up to $1,255. It's still below the 40% consistency, but I went crazy, and that's what happened. $1,200 ish in profit on a funded. That's good, but you know, and that's my future car. Anyway, this is what happened today, and it's just going down. I have no idea where it wants to go. Slowly but for sure. Just make sure to meet ends. Yeah. Let me see. Oh yeah, I see, Dominic. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, Dominic. Dude, congratulations. Congratulations. Congrats, man. Passed. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Dude, your screens are awesome on your new laptop. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. Jesus, I'm streaming since more than 3 hours. So anyway, that's it for me today. It was overall a good day. New evals have passed, but you know, have to make slowly some progress. Thank you, Dominic. You are awesome. Online safety, thank you, and everybody, Vivian, Chao Tang, and everybody who was here. Online safety, Jacques, and everybody who I missed. I'm sorry. Holy Grail, Tacti, Quantum Force, Donovan, J-Ho, Komodo, Bob, Gizno. I don't know who else. But thank you so much. It was a good session. So guys, I'll be back in London tomorrow and trade safely. And tomorrow we have FOMC, so you know. See you, online safety. See you, everybody. Cheers. Take care. And if you would like to support, use the codes. All right. Bye.